Hello, my friends. Welcome back. If you're over 60 and struggling with joint pain at night, you know how tough it can be. You go to bed hoping for good rest, but instead, your knees ache, your hips feel stiff, or your hands just don't stop hurting. But here's the good news. There's a simple, natural remedy you can enjoy in just 1 cup before bed that may help melt away that discomfort overnight. This secret has been used for generations, and today, I'll show you exactly how it works, why it helps, and how you can prepare it at home. Joint pain after 60 is extremely common. Why? Because as we age, our cartilage becomes thinner, inflammation rises in the body, and our joints lose flexibility. For many seniors, this pain actually gets worse at night because the body is less active, circulation slows down, and inflammation builds. But here's the secret. Certain natural ingredients can calm that inflammation, improve blood flow, and relax the muscles so you can sleep peacefully. So what is this secret remedy? It is a warm, golden bedtime drink made from 2 powerful ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric and warm milk. Now, don't let the simplicity fool you. Together, they create a calming, anti-inflammatory drink that many seniors swear by. Why turmeric works. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is known to fight inflammation in the body. According to multiple studies, curcumin works almost like a natural pain reliever, helping reduce stiffness and joint swelling. The challenge is, curcumin doesn't absorb well on its own. But here's the secret trick. Adding just a pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb it up to 20 times better. Why warm milk works. Now let's talk about the milk. Warm milk isn't just comforting. It contains tryptophan and calcium, which help relax your nerves and muscles, preparing your body for deeper sleep. So when you combine turmeric plus black pepper plus warm milk, you get a soothing drink that works both on your joints and your sleep. All right, here's how to prepare this soothing drink. Take 1 cup of warm milk, dairy or even almond milk if you prefer. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, sprinkle in a pinch of black pepper, stir it well, and let it simmer for just a minute. That's it. Your golden bedtime drink is ready. How to use it. Drink this about 30 minutes before bed. Not only can it help calm joint pain, but it may also relax your body so you drift into deeper, more refreshing sleep. Important tips and warnings. If you're lactose intolerant, try plant-based milk. If you're on blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, always check with your doctor first before adding turmeric regularly. Remember, consistency matters. Drinking this once may help, but using it as a nightly ritual is where you'll see the real difference. So, before you reach for painkillers or struggle through another sleepless night, try this simple 1-cup secret. It's natural, safe for most people, and can make your evenings so much easier. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more senior secrets that keep you healthy and strong after 60. Because sometimes, the simplest remedies are the ones that work best. Joint pain at night is common after 60 because of inflammation, stiffness, and slower circulation. A simple 1-cup golden drink made with turmeric, black pepper, and warm milk may help ease that pain and relax your body. This remedy is natural, safe for most seniors, and can be part of your nightly routine. Remember, my friends, you don't always need complicated treatments or expensive pills. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are sitting right in your own kitchen. Making this warm drink each night is not just about reducing pain. It's about creating a calming ritual that tells your body it has time to rest, heal, and recharge. If you try this remedy, I'd love to hear about your experience. Did it help your joints? Did you sleep better? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could inspire another senior watching this. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button.